Good evening. My name is Brian Bambauer, and I'm the principal here at Randolph Middle School. On behalf of our entire faculty, I would like to welcome you to our school. We're looking forward to a successful school year and are excited to welcome you to our annual curriculum night. In a moment, you will hear from our PTO president and then rotate through your child's daily schedule. Each teacher will take a few minutes to introduce himself or herself and then share some important information about the upcoming year. We will make an announcement for every transition, and the schedule moves quickly, so please listen carefully. After you've completed the daily schedule, we encourage you to stop by the cafeteria to visit our PTO. Our event will conclude tonight at 7:30 p.m. Again, welcome to Randolph Middle School, and at this time I'd like to introduce our PTO president, Brad Lindsay.
Thanks, Brian. I'm Brad Lindsay, this year's PTO president, and I'm glad you all are here. The Randolph PTO works hard to partner with parents and staff to make Randolph a great place for all of your children. We encourage all of you to get involved in any way you can, so please stop by the cafeteria afterwards to learn more or visit our website, randolphpto.com. Thanks again, and enjoy curriculum night.